Check it. Alright guys, what is up? You are back for another video with Data Zero. What did I tell you guys? I told you AMC and GME are bullish, and this is just a start. There is much more to come. Guys, you can get excited. It is official. GME confirmed it today with this bullish engulfing candle that we have gotten on the daily time frame. These stocks are about to blow. AMC, APE, GME, and BBBY are all about to make movement to the upside. All of the things that I've been saying in my videos are about to come fruition. Guys, let's not waste any more time. Let's just go ahead and hop into the charts, the facts, the data. Let's go.
All right, guys, what is up? You are back for another video with Data Zero. In this video, we're looking at AMC and we're looking at GME, our two favorite meme stocks. Guys, what did I tell you? I told you AMC and GME are bullish. GME seeing a 7% up day today, 7% up day, over 7% up day on today. AMC up about 3% on the day, working on its breakout as well. I do think GME is going to be the one to make the move first, but it will give a sympathy play to AMC. Both of these stocks are going to run. As you guys can see, BBBY is up massively as well. All four of these stocks are going to be going to the upside, like I have been saying in my videos. Let's go ahead and hop in the charts and see what we got going on. So as you guys can see, GME literally in squeeze mode once again. I think a banging earnings is about to come out for GME. This thing is literally on fire as it is using the bands as support in squeeze mode again. I want you guys to take note on RSI. Once RSI gets as high and GME is also outside of the bands. Once a stock does these two things, uses the bands as support, and RSI gets as high, only two things are going to happen tomorrow. Either it's going to go parabolic to the upside, or it's going to pull back hard. So if it pulls back hard, we will be looking for this 2273, 2275 level as support, and 2323 level as support. I do think we'll find support at one of those levels, bounce off of it, and continue to the upside as GME's in a parabolic movement to the upside. As you guys can see, this rally from $18 has literally been parabolic. If you go ahead and look, GME is also outside of the bands on the daily time frame, literally in squeeze mode. This is not a joke. GME is setting up for a massive move. You guys can see also we have the buy signal in the daily time frame that is about to translate to the weekly time frame. And if we see that buy signal in the weekly time frame, we've only had that one and two other times. The two times we had it, we had this run up here, and then we had this run up to this run up that you see right here. Both decent run-ups to the upside, over 50% runs to the upside. We could easily see that for GME, much more percentage than 50%. I am thinking once we break this overall macro sloping resistance. This resistance has been resistance for 2 years, and GME is now setting up to break out of its falling wedge. As you guys can see, a falling wedge, as I always tell you, is a bullish continuation pattern. This continuation pattern is going to tell us that we are going to be reaching higher highs for AMC and GME. As you guys can see, you have an uptrend, then you go into your falling wedge, and then you go to another uptrend. Falling, or you have your uptrend, then we go into a falling wedge, and we are going into another uptrend. If you go ahead and take your high from your low, that can give you your breakout target, and if you go ahead and put it to your breakout point, that can give you a breakout target. And as you guys can see, it is over the all-time high for GMEs, and I do think the macro is playing out, and we are going to start seeing a overall uptrend. Also, if you go ahead and look at the psychology of the market, you guys can see I've been showing you guys this over and over again. I believe that GME and AMC are both in the disbelief rally phase. Everyone thinks that this rally is not real. They are not ready for this thing to move to the upside, and that is how the market catches people offside. We are in extreme fear of AMC. If you go ahead and look at the fear and greed, it is fear. So this is a good time to buy AMC. Average down, because these price points for GME and AMC will be long gone. $24 for GME will be long gone, and $5 for AMC will be long gone. You will not be able to buy these stocks for that price anymore. So if you are averaging down right now, you are going to be rewarded, not financial advice. Let's go ahead and look at GME on the short term to see what we're looking at. Now, guys, I want to be very clear about tomorrow. It's either going to do one of two things. It is going to go parabolic to the upside. I'm talking about 5, 10, 15, 20% to the upside and break through this overall macro resistance, which could be crazy. Like this week could be crazy. Like this week. I told you guys 2 weeks. I'm thinking this week. This week it is going down. You guys can believe what you want. You can do what you want. You can say what you want in the comments. I know what I know. I've been right. I've been on point. All of you that don't believe, you're about to see right now. You think it's bad to give dates? Well, guess what? I'm about to look like a straight genius because I called the most. As you guys can see, GME is approaching this overall macro sloping resistance. And like I said, it is only going to do one of two things tomorrow. It is either going to go parabolic or find support here around that 23.23 level, or 22.80 finding support and then moving to the upside. One of these two things are going to happen, and I think it is going to go ahead and test this overall macro resistance tomorrow. If we can break above it and hold it as support, things will get crazy for GME. So I want to show you guys what I'm talking about when I say break above it and hold it as support. So we need to see it break above, retest it as support, and bounce off of it. If we can accomplish that, I'm telling you guys, this is the start of a huge move. And just that breaking of this overall sloping resistance alone is going to have GME pop to the upside hard. Just breaking this alone is going to make us pop 10, 20, 30% when we break this thing. So I'm ready to see some crazy price action for GME to the upside. It is definitely coming. And if it runs before AMC, it is going to give a sympathy play to AMC, pushing it to the upside. It's probably going to run here before earnings. Earnings is going to come out. It's going to be bomb and make it run even more. This stuff is about to go parabolic. Believe what you want, not financial advice. I personally am hype. I've been knowing this stuff. I've been knowing I was right. It is hard telling people over and over and over again, and they are just impatient or they think you're wrong because of the day-to-day movement. Guys, I'm not wrong. I'm not wrong. We are close, and you guys will see. Let's go ahead and look at AMC on the short term and the long term real quick, and then on the short term, giving you guys the next day's price action. So guys, you already know how I feel about the macro. AMC also in a falling wedge. As you guys can see, we have our uptrend. Then we have our falling wedge. We are going into another uptrend. AMC also, I believe, in the hope or the disbelief rally. This is a sucker's rally. No one can believe that this is about to be a rally. That's how the market gets people. Everyone is in the anger and depression phase. This new rally to the upside is what everyone is. The disbelief rally, no one can believe it, and then it starts going into hope and optimism. By then it's too late. All the normies start jumping in, and you should already be dollar cost average in at these levels. You have to buy when people are fearful and be greedy. When we have to be greedy when other people are fearful, and fearful when other people are greedy. You always want to do the opposite of the herd. You never want to do the same thing as the herd. And I could tell from the social sentiment on my YouTube, people are very, very bearish about AMC. Every time I put out bullish predictions, they go against it. They are like, oh no, it can't happen. AMC's gonna dump. Exactly. That is the key definition of why this is a disbelief rally. This is how the market gets everyone. You have to be ahead of the crowd. You have to be ahead of the people like that don't understand the market, that can't understand the psychology, that can't get with the program, that are going to end up buying at the top, buying at these higher prices. You want to go against those people and get with the program. That way you can make the most amount of money with the point of maximum financial opportunity, which is the bottom, not the point of maximum financial risk. That's when most people buy at the top. So let's go ahead and look at AMC's shorter time frame to show you guys what is going on. Again, AMC already broke out of its macro falling wedge. As you guys can see, let's go ahead and look at AMC on the shorter time frame and see what we are looking at. So as you guys can see, AMC is forming this rounded bottom that I was talking about. This rounded bottom formation AMC is forming. Now we had this false breakout to the upside today. Everyone was getting extremely bullish. Everyone was getting hype. I did call a 508 price target for my end of day price prediction. We did end at 5.012, so I was about 4 cents off on that price prediction. Now, something that very bullish that happened today, we got this buy signal here on the 1 hour time frame. The key thing for AMC right now, it needs to break above and hold this $5.15 level as support. So we need to see AMC break above this, which I do think could happen tomorrow. hold it as support, use it as support, and then bounce to the upside. Once it does that, we will bounce straight to about $5.50. And then once we break that $5.50 level, you can see AMC go ahead and retest that $6.20 resistance, this local high, or $6, and let's see what the local high is. Yes, $6.20 resistance. And if we can break above that $6.20 resistance, things will get crazy for AMC. Now, what I'm thinking is going to happen tomorrow is one of two things. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the two price paths, then go over the fundamental data for AMC, then go ahead and wrap up this video. So guys, let's go ahead and see what we got going on. So when I'm looking for AMC tomorrow, it's going to do one of two things. Basically, already have the first one plotted out for you guys. As you guys can see, price is basically following the line that I already had plotted out for you. I do think AMC is going to go ahead and retest that $5.15 level, probably here in pre-market or in the beginning of the market, about 9, 10 o'clock. If we can break above that, again, you will see AMC push to about the $5.50 level. This could happen tomorrow. If not, I want to see us break above that pre-market, then use it as support like this, and then have a extremely bullish day to the upside. If we can break above it in pre-market, then we could have a 5, 10, 15% day to the upside. Again, going to about $5.50, maybe even higher if we can break this $5.15 level of support. Now, if that does not happen, this is the third scenario for AMC that I do think possibly could happen. We will see that bounce. We will see us use that support as resistance. We will hit our head on that resistance, go ahead and move back down. Basically, the plotted line that I have for you guys, use this as support about that $5 and $5 level even. Bounce off of that tomorrow, and again, we'll see the breakout on Wednesday or Thursday later this week. Now, I do want AMC to break out earlier than later this week. We could see that, especially if GME starts to push to the upside. But if not, don't be worried if we see AMC consolidate. This is extremely bullish for AMC to move to the upside. We're building a great base here at the $4.80 level, $5 level even, and we are going to build that base and start pushing to the upside. As you guys can see, I have it marked here in blue. Once we retest that high of $6.20, then it will be on for AMC. Let's go ahead and look at the 5-day prediction based off of this markets or this website's fundamentals. Now, again, this website is a new thing that I added to my personal analysis. Again, you could take this for what you want. I just added mixed into my predictions, but I do not rely on it solely. Now, again, the 1-month prediction is $9.55 by June 23rd. $9.55 by June 23rd for AMC. The 5-day prediction is $4.82 by May 27th. $4.82 by May 27th. I think we'll be at least over $6, probably about $8 by then, in my personal opinion. Let's go ahead and look at the failure to delivers. Again, failure to delivers are racking up. Guys, I want you to take note of this. People think that it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter until it does. It will matter, and these things will get covered at one point in time. As you guys can see, we had a run up in FTDs before when we ran up to all-time highs. This is the price in yellow, FTDs marked in white. We are accumulating FTDs. Every time we see FTDs accumulate, we start to see price run. We see FTDs accumulate here, we see price run. FTDs accumulate here, we see price run. Look at this massive amount of FTDs accumulation. We're about to see price run. Also, something I want to point out on the weekly time frame for AMC, if you go ahead and pop on the Bollinger Bands, you guys will see that they are squeezing even tighter. Volume is dropping even lower. This is all indications of a squeeze. This is all indications of a massive short squeeze on the way for AMC. Also, something I want to show you guys for GME as well. I want to pop on the alligator and show you guys how parabolic this thing is looking on the alligator. As you guys can see how far apart these bands are. This move that is making, especially with this bullish engulfing, is about to be crazy. GME is about to go on a stupid run. This is basically confirmation today. This is official. GME is about to go in straight squeeze mode. This bullish engulfing was basically confirmation today. Look how far apart the alligator is. And again, I want you guys to take note of the Bollinger Bands on AMC and then the volume dropping on AMC on the weekly time frame. Look how low volume is. Look how tight the Bollinger Bands. That is all indications of a squeeze. Green MACD. Last time we had these things line up, we've seen this price action here and this price action here. It is very, very clear what is about to come for AMC. If we look at the cost of borrow rate, cost of borrow suddenly dropped again. That is also indication of a squeeze. Cost of borrow sitting at 59.7%, but they're still having trouble getting shares available to borrow. Only 100 shares available to borrow for AMC. Again, tomorrow could be extremely bullish. If we break that $5.15 level, we could shoot straight to $5.50. And if we can get over that $5.50 level, again, we could have a 10, 20, 30% day for AMC sometime this week if we can break those crucial levels of $5.15 and then $5.50. We could see a crazy parabolic action. This is going to be for GME, especially, and AMC. It could happen one of these days this week. I'm expecting massive bullish action between this week and next week. Let's go ahead and look at the short interest and then wrap up the video. Guys, we can see short interest is sitting at 25.95%. 25.95%. Plenty of short interest for a massive short squeeze to the upside. And if we go ahead and look at the options chain for AMC again, if we can get over that $6 level as normal, you will see a massive gamma ramp to the upside. So guys, this is everything I have for you. Things look really, really bullish. I believe AMC, Ape, GME, and Bed Bath & Beyond are all about to move to the upside. I think SPY is actually about to crash here soon after setting a massive bull trap after pumping to the upside. I think it's going to have a crash, pumping down to the downside, making a massive bull trap. I think meme stocks are going to run against the market. I think Bitcoin is going to discouple from the market. Lots of bold predictions, I know, but watch as they all come true. Guys, this is everything I have for you. Hopefully you found the video informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe for more content like this. Check me out in the morning for an end of day prediction for AMC and a daily prediction. I predict if the candle is going to be green or red, and I predict where we are going to go and give you guys an update on price and the data. As always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.
All right, guys, that was the video. And as always, I appreciate each and every one of you that drops comments, shows loves in the comments, and press likes, subscribes. It truly does mean a lot to me. And guys, as always, you can check me out on Twitter and Discord for even more Data Zero updates. I talk about stocks, cryptos, and my trades all day long. And I have a great community there as well, talking about their stocks and trades that add value to the community. Ask me about my Discord down in the comments below on Twitter as well. Guys, you can also become a member of the channel. Just for a small monthly fee, you get exclusive idioms, exclusive access to videos, early access to videos, and my best work by becoming a member. So go ahead and check that out if you would like, and you get access to me as well. As always, guys, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.